In modern urban living, space has become a valuable luxury. Many homes and apartments now feature compact kitchens that must balance functionality, comfort, and visual appeal within limited square footage. This challenge has given rise to innovative design solutions, one of the most popular being the minimalist small kitchen with a bar table. This design approach combines efficiency, simplicity, and style, transforming a small kitchen into a multifunctional space that feels open, modern, and welcoming. By integrating a bar table thoughtfully, homeowners can maximize utility without sacrificing the clean aesthetic that defines minimalism. Understanding the concept of a minimalist small kitchen with a bar table. Minimalist design focuses on clarity, intentionality, and the removal of unnecessary elements. In a small kitchen, this philosophy becomes even more important. Every piece of furniture, every surface, and every layout decision must serve a clear purpose. A bar table fits naturally into this concept because it offers multiple functions within a compact form. Unlike traditional dining tables, bar tables are slim, visually light, and often integrated directly into kitchen counters or islands. They can function as a dining area, food preparation surface, workspace, or casual gathering spot. In a minimalist small kitchen, the bar table becomes an extension of the kitchen itself rather than a separate element, helping maintain visual continuity and spatial efficiency. Maximizing space without compromising style. One of the greatest advantages of incorporating a bar table into a small kitchen is its ability to save space. Traditional dining setups require significant floor area and clear circulation paths. A bar table, especially one attached to a wall, counter, or island, reduces this need while still providing comfortable seating. Minimalist small kitchens often rely on open layouts to avoid a cramped feeling. A bar table supports this openness by eliminating bulky furniture and allowing the eye to move freely across the space. When designed with clean lines and simple materials, the bar table enhances the overall aesthetic rather than overwhelming it. This balance between form and function is at the heart of successful minimalist design. Creating a seamless visual flow. Visual flow is essential in small spaces. A well-designed bar table helps create a smooth transition between different zones in the kitchen, such as cooking, dining, and social areas. By using the same materials or complementary finishes as the countertops or cabinetry, the bar table blends seamlessly into the overall design. In minimalist kitchens, neutral color palettes dominate. Bar tables in white, light wood, gray, or muted stone tones reinforce this calm visual environment. The absence of decorative clutter allows the bar table to feel like a natural extension of the kitchen rather than an added feature. This cohesion makes the space appear larger, more organized, and more refined, enhancing functionality in daily life. A minimalist small kitchen with a bar table is not just visually appealing, it is highly practical. The bar table can serve as a quick breakfast spot in the morning, a workspace during the day, and a casual dining area in the evening. This versatility is particularly valuable in small homes where rooms often serve multiple purposes. For individuals or couples, a bar table may replace the need for a full dining room altogether. For families, it can act as a supplementary eating or homework area. Because minimalist kitchens emphasize efficiency, having a single surface fulfill multiple roles aligns perfectly with this design approach. Choosing the right bar table design. Selecting the appropriate bar table is crucial for maintaining both functionality and minimalist aesthetics. Proportion is key. The table should be scaled to the size of the kitchen, avoiding oversized designs that dominate the space. Slim profiles, simple shapes, and uncluttered surfaces work best. Fixed bar tables attached to walls or kitchen islands are ideal for very small kitchens, as they require no additional floor space. Foldable or extendable bar tables offer flexibility, allowing the space to adapt to different needs. In minimalist interiors, hardware and support structures should be discreet, ensuring that the design remains clean and understated. Seating that complements minimalism. Bar stools play an important role in the overall design. In minimalist small kitchens, seating should be lightweight and visually unobtrusive. Backless stools, slim metal frames, or simple wooden designs are popular choices. Neutral colors and natural materials help maintain a cohesive look. Storage-friendly seating options, such as stools that can be tucked fully under the bar table, help keep the kitchen tidy when not in use. This reinforces the minimalist principle of reducing visual clutter and maintaining a sense of order. Lighting as a key design element. Lighting significantly influences how a small kitchen with a bar table feels and functions. Proper lighting highlights the bar area while enhancing the sense of openness. Minimalist pendant lights with simple shapes are often used above bar tables to define the space without overwhelming it. Natural light, when available, further enhances the design by making the kitchen feel brighter and more spacious. The bar table position near a window can become a pleasant spot for dining or working, reinforcing the connection between function and comfort. Material selection for durability and elegance. Material choice is especially important in minimalist kitchens, where fewer elements mean each material stands out more clearly. Bar tables made from durable, easy-to-maintain materials such as solid wood, engineered stone, or high-quality laminate are practical choices. Natural materials add warmth and texture, preventing the minimalist space from feeling cold or impersonal. When combined with smooth finishes and neutral tones, these materials contribute to a balanced and inviting atmosphere that supports everyday use. Supporting social interaction in small spaces. Despite limited space, kitchens often serve as social hubs. A bar table encourages casual interaction, whether it is sharing a meal, having a conversation while cooking, or enjoying a cup of coffee. This informal setup feels more relaxed than traditional dining arrangements and suits modern lifestyles. In minimalist small kitchens, the bar table acts as a bridge between practicality and social comfort. It allows the kitchen to function as a welcoming space without requiring additional rooms or furniture. Conclusion: smart design for modern living. A minimalist small kitchen design with a bar table is a thoughtful solution for contemporary homes where space, efficiency, and style must coexist. By integrating a multifunctional bar table into a clean, uncluttered layout,